Well, here we are at the Dock Marina. Just had some of the best fish and chips in all of Newfoundland. What do you think, Dad? Was it? What do you?
I thought you meant head down and take a look at it.
You can't hold it like that because. What do you think, Dad?
I think it was excellent. I agree with
Mitch?
Mitch, the tour guide. That is the best fish chip I've ever had, actually.
Yeah, I would say the same.
It's very flaky.
Very moist. The batter's not too overdone. Yeah. There you go. Did a long drive in from St. Anthony last night, about 2:30 in the morning. Then got up early and went straight over to the sea kayaking. How was the sea kayaking, Dad?
Well, very, very good to see the rock formations along the edge of the water. Very dramatic. And to go in and out of some of the rock outcrops with the water around it was quite special.
I agree. It was very nice. Nice, calm, very peaceful out there in the water. Now we're gonna maybe do the Skirwink Trail or drive around, see some fishing towns, and see how the weather goes.
Very good.